Okay, next po, ang nanalo ng baso ay si Kuya Alexander Flores. Nantay mo talaga yung baso, Kuya, no? Alright, picture po tayo. Picture po tayo. Alright, another game po. Lahat po ay pwedeng sumali. Lahat po ay pwedeng sumali. Para po yung laro kanina. Wala na, tinatamad na. Kayo na po. Kuya Ruben, magtatawag na lang ako. Kuya Charlo. Kuya Ate, Ate Brenda. At Artie. Okay, natawag na ako. Ate Heidi. Ate Brenda. Ate Christine. Kuya Buboy. Kuya Dandy. Kuya Justin. Kuya Bernard. Kuya Ate Brenda. Okay, mapapalaban kayo dito. Alright, pwede po kahit gaano kadami sumali. Pwede po kahit gaano kadami. Kuya Randolph, okay? Alright. Meron po ba sasali pa? Lahat po pwedeng sumali. Unlimited. Okay. Okay, meron tayo dito, visitors. Hello. Miss Brenda, so we need to speak in English. Are you aware of the Bible? Are you Christian also? Okay, okay. As they explain that wala na sasali. Okay. Ang game po natin ay gaya sa Bible. Old and New Testament. Okay. Pag sinabi ko yung book, mamimili kayo kung ito ay Old or New Testament. Kagaya ng dati ng yes or no, pag sabi ko ng go, ano kayo, lilipat kayo, no? Okay? Kuya Alex, sisigaw, wag nandyan. Ate Kay, dito po tayo. Okay? Old and New Testament. Dito po, sa gitna kayo, dito ka, Ate Kay. Dito ka, Kuya Alex, okay? Kung alam nyo, yung lahat ng books sa ating pong Bible ay masasabi, Miss Brenda, you know the Bible sa Old and New Testament. If it's Old Testament, you will go with the Old. Okay, if it's New, you go with the New, okay? When I say go, you will jump. Okay? You will choose. Are you ready? Mag-cheer muna tayo para naman ganahan. Cheer muna. Sample-sample muna kayo, Ben. Go. 1, 2, 3, go. Cheer, cheer. Hip, hip. Correct. Cheer muna. Go, go myself. Ganon. Go. Go, go, go. Fight, fight, fight. Go, go, go. Fight, fight, fight. Go, go, go. Fight, fight. Okay, Archie.
Go, go, go. Walang go, go.
Iso ka. Okay, Ate Heidi. Cheer.
Win, win, win! Panalo na ako.
Okay. Ate Jonah.
Fight, fight, fight!
Ate Christine.
Go, fight!
Ate Brenda.
Win.
Win. You're shy, ha? Okay. Ate Heidi.
Laban!
Laban. Ate Maylin.
Go, go, go!
Siya yung go, go, go. Room kami, eh. Kuya Charlo.
Alright, let's do it.
Okay, Kuya Daddy. Laban! Laban ka! Laban! Oh, okay ka. One more, one more! Laban! Okay, Kuya Rodel!
Jesus is alive.
Wow! Jesus is alive indeed! Alright! Okay ano to?
Pwede
Ano muna?
Pwede ka sumali.
Pwedeng sumali. Kung sino pa yung mga gustong sumali, pwede pa po? Pwede pa po. Kahit sino ay pwedeng sumali.
Sali, sali kayo.
Sali po kayo.
Atigin, sali.
Sali po ang lahat. Hindi pa tayo nag-start. Forward po, Kuya Ruben. New Testament niya, Kuya Robert. Joke? Ah? Sample pa na ako. Alright, balik na mo sa dati. Sample lang pala eh. Alright. Don't say a word, okay? Just go to new or old. Alright. Lamentation, go! Lamentation, go! Lamentation. Hindi na alam yung lamentation na. Mas mahirap pag ano. Ay, foreigner tayo. Basta kakaiba ko, basta kakaiba, old na lang ako. Okay. Hulaan na lang daw. Lamentation is Old Testament. Okay, alright. Next. Alright. Book of Jude, go! Jude, Jude, Jude. Jude. Jude, Jude. Jude. Book of Jude. Alright? Book of Jude. Okay? Jude. Jude. Alright. Jude. Ang hirap naman ni Kuya Archie. Judas. 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 Okay? Book of Jude is New Testament. Right, Marie? Sa Old Testament, please sit down. Alright. Alright. Sina po tayo? Nagre-reklamo ka na itong paasawa mo. Oh, may pag-asa pa kayo. Alright. Mabilisan to, ha? Okay. Book of James. Book of James. Book of James. Si Kuya Rodel. Okay. James is New Testament. That is correct. Okay. Book of Daniel. 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 Old or New Testament? Oh, mga gaya-gaya. Alright. Jeremiah. Jeremiah. Go. Jeremiah, go. Alright. Lumayas ka na. Yung ano? Namumutay ka. Wala talaga. Oh, gitna, gitna na, gitna, gitna. Okay. Book of Ezekiel. Go. Ezekiel. Kaya. Okay. Ezekiel is in Old Testament. Alright. Book of Revelation. Revelation. Yes, Revelation is in Old Testament. Book of, New Testament, sorry. Book of Hebrew. 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 Go. Hebrew, go. Hebrew. Hebrew yan, ano? Hebrew. Book of Hebrew. Oh? Wala na. Nakita mo na yung reaction ng asawa mo. Book of Hebrew is Old Testament, New Testament. Sabi ni, nakita mo ba yung reaction ng asawa mo, Tijilali? Okay, gitna po tayo. Ano ba ito asawa? Gitna na, gitna. Oy, kuya ano? Naku, bawal ang konti ko. Bawal. Okay. Book of Chronicles. Go. Chronicles. Chronicles is Old Testament. Correct. Aba, mukhang matitindi to kung ay ano ah. Ate Joy ah. Okay. Out na, out na. Out na si Kuya Charlo. Okay? Ang Book of Philemon po ay New Testament. Bye-bye, Kuya Rodel. Wow! You're still in this, Brenda! Give us a cheer. Cheer, please, go. Cheer, cheer. Win, win, win. Fight, fight, fight. Go, Brenda. Like that. Okay, go. Ay, si Mahel pala. Kasama si Mahel. Go, Mahel. Cheer. One more. Oh, laban. Laging palaban to si, si Mahel. Alright. Mananalo pa si Oh, gitna. Okay, the center. In the center. In the center. Okay, book of numbers, go! Aba, matindi.
Memorya niya, Titi.
Correct, aba. Okay. Okay. Alright, dito sa gitna. Okay, okay. Kami move forward, Miss Brenda. Okay, alright. Book of Leviticus. Go! Oh, panikulado may panalo na tayo. Okay. Book of Leviticus is